Hey y'all. So we're oh, hold on, let me catch y'all up. So yesterday was so much fun. I'm now in the car. We're on the way to go pick up Elaina. It's like my first morning in a long time, like kind of like just like taking time for myself. Really still not even taking time for myself because I still have work to do. I still was doing setting up an itinerary for one of my clients, and folding laundry, taking care of the house, and things like that. So yeah, that was really nice, but I really will admit that I did miss my little munchkin. I missed her a lot. Now we're on the way. We're gonna go stop at, I think we're gonna get Starbucks. Yeah, we're gonna go to TJ Maxx. We're gonna grab some Starbucks drinks and then scoop her up and then head home and just have a regular chill night, get back on schedule. See you guys later. Guys, so this is my first time trying the new horchata shaken espresso Starbucks has.
We got oat milk in it too.
It has oat milk in it. We are an oat milk family. I'm an oat milk girl. I am a horchata girl, so the fact that this has oat milk in it is bomb. I'm sick, so I can't really taste it.
Yeah, it tastes good.
What you think? It tastes like horchata?
A little.
The coffee's overpowering it, and I'm a little sick, so I can't really give you an answer. But it tastes good from what I can gather. That is his favorite coffee.
Yeah, I fuck with this one.
Yeah. Allie, the princess has arrived. She spends the night one time. We don't get a smile.
Look at her, look at her. Look at her, look at her. Why are you acting like that?
I wish I would have recorded when we first walked in. She was happy when we first walked in, but she was ready to go, and we always stop and talk.
She knows she's not about to get carried for the rest of the night.
But I'll talk to you guys later. We now have the princess. Alright, I'm about to do a little unboxing for you of what I got from TJ Maxx and then what I recently got from Amazon. I got these bras. I got an eyelash curler because I like to do my mascara and I can't find my other one. I was in the beauty section and then I saw that they had like NARS and stuff like that. Honestly, TJ Maxx makeup is kind of sketchy. But because they had Kylie and I love Kylie Jenner, I don't care about anything else that they be saying about her. It's a lip lacquer in the shade A Whole Look. I got that. I don't have any red lips, honestly, and it's Kylie, so of course I had to grab it. They didn't really have anything else. There was just a bunch of these. You know how that go. I needed a new sleeping mask because I sleep with a sleeping mask, and I grabbed this. Of course, it's leopard. It's either leopard or cheetah. I'm pretty sure this is cheetah. No, it's leopard. It's leopard. I just wanted a sleeping mask that wasn't like I wanted a sleeping mask that wasn't too much on my face. These are way too big. Oh, it's 11 to 12. Shoot, it's 11 to 12. I was thinking it's gonna be like months. Like 11 to 12 months. I'm gonna have to get another one. But I got a body wash from Amazon because you can only get these online. And then I got Elaina a bathrobe. So we're just gonna chill and relax in the house. I'm gonna talk to you guys later.